iPhone earpiece, it is what we use for making calls and also listening to audios. But why am I saying that we should not buy this kind of earpiece, okay, for use? The reason is very simple. You see, with this one, you can just buy it for like $10, or which is like 1.5, 150 cedis to 200 cedis and above, okay, for just this one earpiece for iPhone, which is very costly. And when you convert to dollars, like $10 to $20 for just an earpiece. But I have this one for you that can really help you to get earpiece for low prices. So if in case you want to use your iPhone with different kind of earpiece with cheaper prices, like how the Android users have, okay, we have this one. Some call it the lightning connector, okay. It has a port here that can help you input any type of normal earpiece into it. So if you have this kind of earpiece, you can just put it in here and then you are good to go to enjoy. Okay, so you can get this for less than $1, okay, $1 to $2 you can get one of these, okay, which is like 15 to 20 cedis. You can just get one of this one, okay. So when you get this, then you just connect to your iPhone, you turn on your Bluetooth, then you connect it. After that, then you input your earpiece and then you are good to go. You can listen and then make calls with this one. So instead of buying the earpiece for 150 or 200 cedis or $10 to $20, just buy this one for as low as $1, okay, or $2, and then you can save money. It is called the lightning connector or the iPhone jack. That's what I call it. Or you can also get yourself some AirPods and then you can enjoy these AirPods. Very simple. Instead of buying that one, okay, so some of these AirPods, they are cheaper. You can just try buy one and connect and enjoy more sound in your ears. Okay, so let's continue. I'll see you again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check this video out because it will really help you to do a lot of stuff. So iPhone users, check it out. iPhone battery saving tips for you. Just click. Thanks for watching. See you again.